In this project, we will use Arduino Uno to log the temperature and humidity data on the SD card. Here Arduino Uno collects the temperature and humidity values from the DHT11 sensor and stores these values on an SD card. The data file saved in the SD card can be easily opened as a text file for further analyses. SD card module. SD card module is a simple board that is used to interface a micro SD card with a microcontroller like Arduino. A typical SD card module consists of two important components, voltage regulator IC and a 5V to 3.3V level converter IC. The module has 6 pins. Out of the 2 are for powering the module and 4 pins are for the SPI communication. Features: support micro SD card, less than or equal to 2G, micro SDHC card, less than or equal to 32G. The level conversion circuit board that can interface level is 5V or 3.3V. Power supply is 4.5V, 5.5V, 3.3V voltage regulator circuit board. Communication interface is a standard SPI interface. Components required: Arduino Uno, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, SD card module, jumper wires. Circuit diagram for Arduino data logging into SD card. As shown in the circuit diagram, the connections are very simple since all the components are used as modules. We can directly connect them on a breadboard. The SD card module is connected to the Arduino through the SPI communication. The SPI pins on the Arduino are pins 10, 11, 12, and 13. The connections are further classified in the table below.
FAT16 and FAT32 file systems. Make sure that your SD card is formatted with these two only, otherwise you will get an initialization error. Once format is completed, insert SD card into module. Check the connections according to circuit diagram. Upload the program into Arduino and check output at serial terminal. You will see the values of temperature and humidity on serial monitor, and data gets stored into loggercd.txt. If there is any error in writing data into SD card, the error message is shown in serial terminal, SD card writing failed. And if everything get correct values of temperature and humidity gets stored into SD card separated by comma. To see the stored data of loggercd.txt file, remove the SD card from SD card module and insert it into SD card reader and connect card reader to desktop, laptop, or mobile and open the loggercd.txt.